Hi there. Today I've got an ABUS here, an C83. It's also hardware. It's from a hardware store for €7. Um, I thought I had an easy game, but I had a lot of time with this little one here. This is a bitting, and as you can see, here's a deep cut on pin 1, and so there is only a tiny movement before you overset these pins. And on the other pins there are a lot of spools and serrations, and very often I overset this lock. I cut it in half because I made a mess with the other part when I tried to gut it, and so that's a nice feature of our locks. You get always a second chance. I use tension from the pin side, and because of the security pins, really light tension. And I start from the back to the front on pin 5, a little forward, and 3 is springy. I'm careful with pin 1. This was 4. I try to find the next binder. There was a counter rotation on 3, I would say. I can feel really light movements on the wrench, but I don't know which one I can set as next spin, and I'm a little bit careful because I've overset them very often. Little force it. Pin 5. wasn't set. So now it is, and I will try to get this lock. So spring is away. And I'll try. So pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4 and pin 5. It's not a challenge lock, it's from the hardware store direct, and I will show the pins in a few seconds. So serrated pin, a spool, another spool, standard pin, and last spool. I will show it a bit closer. So, thank you for watching, and bye.